In this video, we're going to talk about simplified camera and device control with BitPart. Real quick, you're watching VP Land. Special thanks to our sponsors, Blackmagic View and LucidLink, for helping make our NAB coverage possible. And now, back to the video. What is BitPart?
BitPart is wireless camera control for DITs, camera assistants, but we're also getting into the lighting department, and dimmer board operators are starting to use our product. At NAB last year, we released our first product. We've been shipping it and shipping a bunch of them, getting a lot of users in different spaces, seeing new things, new ways that people want to use the product. So it's actually influenced the way that we've designed things and released some new products this year.
Okay, yeah. And so what new products do you have now?
Yeah, so now we have the Mini, which compared to our original is much smaller, has less features, but the pricing is a lot more affordable. So our original box has a switch embedded and a USB, so you can connect it to the phone like I showed you before.
Okay.
But the Mini is purely just an Ethernet port.
Okay.
So there's no switch, no expandability or anything like that. But the original box, we also had an expandability port that we put there. And this year we were showing that we have the new expansion module, which can do L-bus, additional Ethernet ports, serial. It has a ESP32 chip that can do Wi-Fi, Bluetooth for cameras that don't have a connector. Now you can control them remotely, like a GoPro or something, if you want to put it up in a tree or whatever. So we're showing future expandability for the existing product, while also entering a new product that's lower cost. Making this accessible to more people. We're trying to build an ecosystem that kind of helps everyone on set and makes things a lot easier.
And remind me, for it to work, is it you have to have a one-to-one, or you have to have a transmitter receiver relationship?
Yeah. So the original box has a switch on the side, so you can switch it between base and remote, and then it's a simple pairing. You just push the button on both sides, they exchange a key, and now they're connected to each other. With the little one, these can only work in remote. So you have to have at least one of these as your base, and then you can have up to 12 of these as remotes. Depending on your application, you may want multiple of these, or those, it just depends. These are great for like a Sony Venice or whatnot. The bigger one will obviously have a lot more features. And then we also have an iPad plate that we designed.
To hold the base.
Yeah, so it can hold the base, or you can have it as a remote or whatnot. The battery will connect to the bitbox, providing power to it, and it'll also charge and provide the Ethernet connectivity. The thought process there was, like, when I'm working on set, I had an iPad at my cart, and I'd go to set and I'd talk to the DP and be like, oh, what do you think about this? Oh, why don't we adjust the ASA or something like that? And then I have to run back to my cart. So now with the iPad plate, the goal is you just have it with you all the time.
You just make
carry
adjustments.
it with you, and then you can just quickly pull it out and make whatever adjustments you need.
Cool. How many remotes can connect to a single base?
Up to 12.
Up to 12. Okay.
Yep.
Cool. I remember on our video last year, one of the comments was laughs in European, and I assume it's because there's different frequencies that I don't know as much about. But can you talk about the different frequencies in Europe market?
Yeah. So we work on the 915 megahertz in North America. Europe, we've had a lot of people asking about it, but there are limitations. You can't use 915 there. There's power requirements, a lot of different things, but we are developing a model for Europe. We've already went through testing, so we are fully CE certified. In the States, this one is fully FCC certified. We've done all the steps to make a product that can be used anywhere in live events or whatnot, because it's fully certified and won't interfere with other products. And
awesome. And you have availability and pricing for the Mini?
Yeah, it's $479. Pre-order now. We'll hopefully ship it in June.
Okay.
We also have our mounting plate that we just released, which you can see add just more flexibility for different things that people may need.
So more options to mount.
Yeah, exactly. Just more options to mount.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
appreciate
thank you.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And thanks again to our sponsors for helping make our NAB coverage possible. For more NAB videos, be sure to check out our playlist with all of our NAB coverage. Catch you in the next episode.